So the main part of this video is a withdrawal to Coinbase. But before that, I want to go over some details that I missed in the first video. So in my first video, I said that you get 12 cents an hour for every referral you put in. Well, that's actually for the United States, and so that's how it's advertised for me. So as I said before, for United States citizens, that's 12 an hour for every person you refer, up to 100 an hour. And also, the person who puts your referral code in also receives 12 sats an hour. But if you're in Australia, France, Germany, Canada, or the UK, that goes down to 5 an hour. And that goes down to 1 cent an hour for Austria, Belgium, South Korea, Croatia, Bahrain, Iceland, Cyprus, New Zealand, Switzerland, Italy, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Poland, Spain, Singapore, Denmark, Portugal, Norway, Sweden, Lithuania, Finland, Israel, Slovakia, Kuwait, Slovenia, Latvia, Greece, and the Czech Republic. And as far as I know, if you're not one of those countries mentioned, I don't think you can use the app at all. But even something as low as like 2 sats an hour gives you over 17,000 sats over a year, just for logging in and clicking a button. So now that that's out of the way, I wanted to show you the Coinbase withdrawal I made last week. So on the bottom right in Coinbase, hit transfer on the bottom right, then receive crypto, click Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin again, and then copy your Bitcoin address. So let's head to Ember. On the top left, click the little avatar button, click withdraw, click cash out. You can see that there's going to be about a 90-cent fee, and the minimum withdrawal is 10,000 sats, so click continue, paste your Bitcoin wallet address, and then click review. Input 10,000 sats, click continue. You can see it's going to be 864 sat fee, and we'll hit withdraw. And you see you're going to have to verify yourself. This should only be for the first withdrawal, so let's click that. And then click continue. You're going to have to put in an ID and then do a little face check. So we'll come back right after that's over. So you can see my profile was verified, and that you can see that my transfer is now pending. And after about 12 hours, my transfer went through with 9,134 free sats. I think at this point I'll wait until I have about 100,000 sats until I make another withdrawal. Considering there's a fee, there's no reason why I need to make them as quick as possible. If free sats interest you, please use my referral code you see on the screen. As you can see, I'm very close to maxing out, and after I do that, I'll be changing the code to people in my Discord. They've done a lot to help me out, and I want to return the favor. The next person in line is Chafe Gold Bond, and then we'll go from there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for ways to find Bitcoin and other passive income, and this is definitely one of my favorites so far. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.